Okay, I want to explain something.
Go ahead.
You know how this is bowling? It's not glued down.
Oh, so what does that mean?
That means it's like this. But look, you should feel like this.
Okay.
But this one, you know, we tried not to step on it because it could crack and water could go through the crack to crack.
Oh, okay.
And
Wow.
that's how I accumulated stuff in it. That's probably what something like that over there.
Oh, okay.
And
I see.
so we got different material.
Right. Okay, now we put a bit of see right there, that lumber in there.
This one?
Yeah. No, right here. See this right here? So that when it rains, it pushes it out. It leaked here some time ago.
Oh, okay.
And so when it rains, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Actually.